Good day, Miss Mara. I am Jean C. Antiga from BSA 2A. Today, I'm gonna read my essay about agricultural applications of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and esters. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and esters play vital roles in various agricultural applications, contributing to the enhancement of crop production, pest control, plant growth regulation, and preservation methods. Aldehydes, such as formaldehyde, find use in preserving agricultural products by inhibiting microbial growth and preventing spoilage. Ketones like acetone function as solvents for pesticides and herbicides, aiding in the effective applications of these chemicals to protect crops from pests and weeds. Carboxylic acids, such as acetic acids, serve as preservatives in silage production, ensuring the fermentation process required for high quality animal feed. They also play a role in adjusting soil pH levels to optimize nutrient availability for plant growth. Esters are commonly employed as flavoring agents in agriculture to attract pollinators for increased crop yield. Additionally, they are utilized in formulating pheromones for pest management strategies, disrupting mating patterns and reducing insect populations without the need for harmful chemical pesticides. Overall, these organic compounds demonstrate versatility and significance in modern agriculture, offering solutions for crop protection, preservation, and improvement of agricultural practices while promoting sustainability and environmental stewardship. Their utilization highlights the importance of chemistry in addressing challenges faced by the agricultural sector and underscores the potential for innovation and advancement in enhancing food security and agricultural productivity.